How to use Buckets Finance at proper beginner mistakes that cost you. Buckets Finance is an app designed to help you budget smarter by organizing your money into digital buckets for spending, saving, and investing. But most beginners don't use it to its full power. The first mistake is treating Buckets like a simple expense tracker. It's much more. The app helps you assign every dollar a purpose: rent, travel, groceries, or investments, so nothing slips through the cracks. The second mistake is ignoring automation. You can schedule transfers into each bucket automatically based on your paycheck cycle. Most people set it up manually, wasting time and often missing consistency. Another common error: not reviewing analytics. Buckets provides visual breakdowns of your spending habits, helping you see patterns and cut unnecessary costs. Without checking those insights, you're missing valuable feedback. Pro tip: create a future goals bucket for things like an emergency fund or early retirement. Even small, consistent contributions make a big difference. And here's the surprising truth: the key to wealth isn't how much you earn, it's how you manage what you already have. Used properly, Buckets Finance gives you control, clarity, and peace of mind, turning your money into a well-organized system that actually works for you.